So I am back with another ActivelyBlack haul, but this haul is more appropriate for spring and summer. Well, it's summer now, so I guess, I mean, you can wear it. And let's just get into the haul. Hey good people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rakita. For those who are new here, where luxury has no limits. And in today's video, I want to share another ActivelyBlack haul, but summer appropriate. So last haul that I did, I had got the jogger set, and that thing is thickums. Okay, it's thickums. So I can only wear that in the winter, but I wanted to get some. One, I love the brand. Okay, it was love at first sight. Okay, the quality was amazing, but I got it, like I said, towards the very end of winter, so I wasn't really able to wear it enough. But like I said, the quality is on point, and that's all Mary had a little lamp. So I wanted to get some pieces that I can wear in the summer. So let's get into the haul. Okay, so in this haul I got 4 pieces. I'm not going to do the whole boxing and because I did that in my first haul with ActivelyBlack and then my first impressions. So if you haven't seen that first haul with ActivelyBlack, I will link it somewhere up here. But this is the packaging, same packaging from that haul, and it has not changed. So let's just get into the first piece. So the first piece, okay, I'm sorry, let me see. I know you're like, ma'am, can I see the item? I'm sorry, this is a true unboxing. I have not seen it yet. So me taking it out the pack, but I'm gonna stop being selfish. I'm gonna stop being selfish. So it is this, of course, workout top. The front says black women are superheroes, no lies detected. Okay, so the material is made of your typical high quality workout material. You know that, is it anti-sweat or air wick? I don't know. But you should be able to sweat in it and still breathable and not stick to your skin. Whatever they call that material, okay? Y'all know that material because Adidas and Nikes use it. But it is very high quality, soft to the touch. Is it see-through? It is not see-through. The back is plain, and there we go. Not too shabby. So, surprise, surprise. I don't remember prices, but of course I will put prices up on the screen. But so far so good. Let's get into the next piece. Here is the second item I picked up. And this is, didn't I say I was getting stuff for summer? And then I ordered me some joggers. Women's performance joggers. Okay, so apparently I did. All right, let me see. Okay, they're not thickums. So these can be worn in the spring. I'm not gonna say summer. I ain't even gonna do that. I ain't gonna do that. All right, unless you live in a typically cooler climate, even in the summer months. But they're nice. The quality is still A1. The length of them, I don't know. You can't see that, child. But I will make sure I put pictures. But they are a nice quality. Let me try again. No, you're not wearing these in the sun. Well, depending on the temperature, okay? I don't know. But I like these. These are very nice. It has the zipper pockets on the side. Drawstring. We love a drawstring. And then on the bottom, it says black. Right? That's it? Yep, on both legs, it just says black. And then on the back pocket, it says, engineered to endure, persevere, and triumph, ActivelyBlack. Love that. So there we go. I got some joggers. Okay, here's the third item. Now, oh Lord. Okay. Already, this don't scream summer. I don't know. I think I just thought it was cute and I ordered it and I messed up the assignment. But, okay, look, it's cute though. It's cute, but let me see. Okay, hold on, let me see. All right. So obviously this is the matching top to the joggers. And the same situation, like maybe a cool summer night, first thing summer morning, definitely for spring, but you know, it's good quality, so it feels, you know, it feels pretty substantial. So which is why I'm kind of hesitant to say summer, but the quality is outstanding. Okay, the quality is super nice, super soft to the touch. Oh, look at that, it got the little thumb holes. You see that? Got little thumb holes. I like that. Zipper pockets, black on the front. Oh, I like how the hoodie comes up a little higher. I like that. And then the back says greatness in our DNA. So good news is the set is worth every penny. I don't know what a penny is right now. How much? I don't know. But I will put the actual name and of course the price on the screen and then down below in the description, and then I'll link them too. But good news is the quality is awesome. They are very beautiful in person. Bad news is they may not be for summer. It may not be for summer. Okay, last piece. Now this feel like summer. The weight of it feel like summer. Okay, so maybe I didn't miss the assignment. Maybe I just scored a 50. Okay, there we go. We got a t-shirt, heather gray. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm trying to look too. All right, I like this. So t-shirt says there's greatness in our DNA in the back. Front just says actively black. Love it. So again, the little tab, engineered to endure, persevere. I like it. I like it. Just a plain workout t-shirt. It is in that same wick, you know, dry wick. If you sweat, it's supposed to suck it up and dry easily type of material. So I'm cool. I like it. I like it. They're nice. All right, it's a win. Okay, good people, that is it. That is my very quick, very satisfied Actively Black haul. So, you know, two of them you definitely could wear in the summertime. Like I said, the jogger set is not as substantial and heavy and thickums like the jogger set that I got before. Again, I will link that video if you haven't seen it. That one is definitely snow on the ground, okay? That one is definitely below 40 degrees. This jogger set depends. It depends. Because some days in the summer, I'm feeling real chilly. And some days, you know, the devil be following me around. So, I don't know. But good news is it don't matter because it's cute, it's good quality, and I'm keeping it. And we will always love to support Black-owned businesses. So, with that being said, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing. Of course, turn on the notifications so you don't miss a video from your girl. Also, follow me on Instagram, because on Instagram, I'll be styling these things. I'll be trying to strike a pose. I'll be thinking I'm cute. So go ahead, follow me on Instagram. I'm also on TikTok, Facebook at Rakita's Closet. And then you can keep up with me on my blog as well for more information about me, this video, or any video at www.rakitascloset.com. And I will see you beautiful people in the next one. Okay, bye!